Okay, just wanted to show you the progress I just made. Where's the quail at? So I took the Russian kale, which are these plants right here, looking really nice after rain, cool weather. So I took them from this spot where I just put the chicken tractors. They're all taking bird baths. And I transplanted them over here to the bed. They cleared out. I cleaned up a little bit. Let me show you. This is how they take a little bath, get insects off them, ticks or anything. Let's see if I can get close without spooking. They're enjoying the sun. It's cool to see. Just enjoying. Doing what they do naturally. Two down there still scratching. Rooster's loving it. Oh yeah, so the Russian kale. This bed is mostly compost. Could dig into it with my hands for about 6 inches and then got into topsoil. So nice sunny day, ground's nice and moist. Don't need to water. Just let them do what they do. Nice sunny day. About 60, 65. Yeah. There's a rabbit. Got plenty of space now. All right. Chicken sunbathing, Russian kale. Adios.